As we explore Taiwan's destination information, we'll take a closer look at cultural insights, covering key aspects like customs and etiquette, along with language basics. Here we will discuss customs and etiquette covering the following aspects. 1. Greetings. Common greetings include a slight bow or nod of the head. Handshakes are acceptable, but it's essential to be gentle. 2. Politeness and modesty. In Taiwan, politeness means using respectful language, and disagreements are often expressed indirectly to maintain comfort. 3. Gift-giving gifts are typically opened in private, not in front of the giver, far. Dining etiquette. Wait for the host or eldest to start the meal before you begin eating. Use both hands when offering or receiving something, including business cards. Do not leave chopsticks standing upright in a bowl of rice, as it resembles a funeral ritual. 5. Shoes off. It is customary to remove shoes when entering someone's home. Many temples and certain traditional restaurants also follow this practice. Indoor slippers may be provided for guests. 6. Public behavior. Use 2 hands when giving or receiving something, especially money. Maintain a level of modesty in dress, particularly when visiting religious sites. Avoid loud conversations in public places. Littering is considered disrespectful. Dispose of trash appropriately. Language basics in Taiwan primarily revolve around Mandarin Chinese, as it is the official language. It's important to note that while Mandarin is the official language, various dialects such as Hokkien and Hakka are also spoken in different regions. Taiwanese people generally appreciate any effort to speak Mandarin and may respond warmly to foreign visitors attempting the local language. Check out these practical Mandarin situational dialogues, which can offer essential Mandarin dialogues for everyday scenarios, dining, shopping, and tackling travel challenges. They'll make it easier for you to blend into the local culture and navigate your journey seamlessly. Just click on the links to start learning. Now, what's next? Check your passport, visas if needed, your student ID. Make a checklist list items you'll need and check off items as you pack to ensure nothing is forgotten. We're here to support and assist you at any time, making your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Ready to go? Let's get started.